Recording.
Okay, here's how you build an injector. Right or wrong. Notice how this one's coming apart. Every one of them I've done so far, this one O-ring right there, every one of them's been pieces of it falling apart. Since these are gotten used, I have no way of knowing. What the condition they were in when they were pulled. Just praying they're better than what I'm taking out. So far, the process has been pretty easy, except for one of these O-rings, which you'll see in a minute. Now, you're supposed to change these tips on the end. And the only problem I got with that is I can't get the damn things off. If there's a special tool or something, yay, I don't have it. And I am not scarring up a set of injectors to try to change something that looks like it ain't nothing wrong with it. To each their own. I'm sure somebody will fuss at me for that. I don't care. I like driving more than I like walking. Clip went first. Next, we got a flat. It goes down next. I basically let it roll. Seems like somewhere somebody said don't let it roll. I couldn't get the thing on there without it rolling, so I let it do whatever it wants. Once it's in place, I make sure that it is not rolled as in out of shape, and I slide it down to the clip, making sure that it's in good shape, same direction all the way around. Next, we go with a big flat, a big round O-ring, all the way down. That's it. This is the one that's a pain in the butt. Now, I'm sure there's some special way to do this my puny little hands had problems with, but this is how I've been doing it. Right or wrong. And yes, I feel that this is excessive amount of pressure. I'm trying to make sure not to pinch the thing when I go under, stopping if it doesn't seem to want to go. It's a lot more stretch than I care for, but I don't know another way of doing this. Don't feel right to stop. Harder time with this one than I have with any other one. Check the burrs, everything feels good. One to go. This little orange guy, he's pretty cooperative compared to the other one. That's it. Another injector built. Or ringed. Again, everybody recommend replacing them. I can't tell much bloody difference between them. They seem to be in good shape, so they're staying. And that concludes building an injector. So